How to fix Snapchat full screen problem. If you want to make your screen on full in Snapchat, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you want to do to fix the camera full screen is go to the settings and then go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds, and after that disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it again. And then all what you want to do now is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and then click on update right here as you can see. When you click on update, the problem is gonna be fixed. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.